Dancehall forever. You don't know. Right now, people are beating a gun. The Nika fire forward again. Be a lava. Right now, people will know which side Nika fire the fan. So it's 1 minute Nika fire after one thing, and the next minute, him just turn on the rifle and just start fire the shot. But you know, say all entertainment. So big up Nika fire and big up ALKALINE, guys. You will chat about right now, party. Now, two things we have to say before we get started. Look like say Suss Gaza and ALKALINE. I study something. For them I study psychology or something, because them man know how to play people emotions, bro. And if you can get in a people emotions, you can have them reaction easily. You see me? Now, this whole subject, yeah, I don't know, new. Because this is not the first time ALKALINE said this thing, right? And the interesting thing about this whole situation is, nobody knows if this man even indulge in these things, because creating a song, people say a lot of things in a song when I go so none of that. But with our culture, one of the things that are straight fire. And I don't want to hear nothing like that higher. And you ever get branded. So with the artists though, want to know ALKALINE do it again. Provoke the mind of the people in the dancehall. As you know, so once he said that in the song, the whole dancehall audience, no matter who for fans there was, we're not going to listen. And we're not going to go for it. And we're not going to stream. Just a couple days ago, Nika Fire said, well, the last song, Priority Can Do, 100 times a day. Well, that song I reached 250,000 in a day. Amazing. So, look for the big difference. So that just goes to show you, say, with the controversy and the excitement. Word in the street is saying, ALKALINE says some artists are coward, and them a double down to make certain say them get exposed. People may can't make up this. When from hunting crocodiles to now, the man wants to literally remove a crocodile from the lake, string him up. People is not a pretty sight. So, ALKALINE depend him rampage right now, and wanna know say, Alka is like in blackout right now, basically. And this is the consequence of some artists have to face, because ALKALINE show say them coward, and in the scary thing, and him ready for conflict, right? And him a show you say, him a call name, him a do him subliminal this them, and the man do it in a one way where he make certain say, put up all them flaws them we're gonna stay him out, right? Okay. So now we have to go come with some fresh set on this. So I'm gonna see how this all play out now. Cause if a person say you this or that and you accept it and say, alright, it is what it is. Why else them have to go come with something else now, cause that accept. So yo, this is interesting people. Make sure so now smash it like and subscribe. You see me? That's a ton of people. Yeah. Dancehall forever. And interesting, and one of the best times this in a dancehall right now. I tell you say, Cartel, keep the way I do. You see me? Vendetta, keep doing I do, because you are going to know. Real, bro. The real. And as the street I say, are the two powerfulest movement in a dancehall, in a music right now, brother. You see me? So a big look. At the end of the day, we represent Jamaica. So it's a great look. No matter which side you feature and say you're the biggest fan of, the whole thing come back right to one spot. Jamaica, brother, I represent Jamaica. You see? Yeah, charge it. The wickedest thing on me is still big up Suss. You see me? Yeah. Yo, before we go any further, big up Sean Stamp. Let me see up on a show over there. You see me? Overseas I do your thing. Salute for that, my G, over there, do your thing. Yeah. So, no. What Suss I said now. See? And the most hilarious thing this, me see me G. Like, me I say Suss, You say you have a page of forward dog, and I tell you, say, yo, now why that waste no content? Just put out the content and on your platform, the G, and I tell you, say, yo, Mad Sus I say, boy, hear this now, the G, see? Classic this. Man Sus I give a story. So when him know say ALKALINE is just a wicked artist who premeditate something where you would have never believed. It's an artist. Whether them students they are already my drive, the man just a pre some evil thing that you happen you know. The man forward out as vendetta done it. And I'm hunting clothes and everything. Everything. It's like I'm go right at the lakeside, Splashy River. And tent up, brother. I say, bumbaras, flat. And the man I say, yo, you might wish. We just still want alligator, crocodile, anything I crawl out. I say, yeah. So, man, I say, yeah, man, I know they chat, man. I say, oh, blood fire going around here. So, wait. All this time, ALKALINE is in a hunting mood. That's why ALKALINE drop all these baits. If you don't realize what's going on with people, this is why ALKALINE know way, man. You see me? Him say, alright, them love say this and that. Drop it out there as a bait. I see who take it bait. Because the man in a hunting mood. Yeah? Yo, this version of him thing well calculated, you know, from impact, you know. The man I show you say him not deal with the charts. Him not rely upon that. And the same thing that can never build up regardless. You see me? Him and the same man I go off a hype. Him say him not go off on people with the hype when I go last. Yes, so you see me? So the man I show you a lot of things. The man I show you say them dwell upon the past while they create the moment. You see me? So it's just one of them scenarios where I see him thing where him say the things and him know say it a go cause problem. Him know. This is not like say boy, him no know. Him know that's why him do it. Cause him know say the minute him do it, it's not gonna be a problem. And once it's a problem, it's not gonna be a viral moment. Cause anything where everybody put them energy in, you know what going already? Everybody gonna start free. You see, and the more negative the conversation is, and the further it reach, and that's where the world is. You understand? So you have to just know the G, like you can't get tricked in everything. Cause some people really, really, really serious to themselves. Say boy, what them here are just that, and it can't be an artist that's a provoking or creative space. You see me? So you get tricky when we have the people drop it in the comment section. What are your thoughts on the bar ALKALINE dropping them song? You see me? You know what it is. You see me? The man say, buck a slut. Right? And half if brata run. So, you know, a lot of people grow up, they know say brata extra, you know what I mean? Extra on the side. Balance out the yellow spin and things. So, it's just people, when them hear the brata, bro, everybody mind gone one way, you see me? So, yo, when you see a Mad Sus, big up Mad Sus. When you see the Gaza step out, and I show yourself, the vendetta boss, and a normal artist to play with. You can't take ALKALINE thing lightly. That just go to show you. You know what I mean? And just go to show you, say, yo, mobile people, they might take the thing too seriously, you see me? And music people, entertainment, you see me? Go easy. And some of my people, them still, yeah. Well, some of them still, big man thing. You see me? When I want to do great work, bro, you have to show, say you appreciate that person at the bro. You see me? You don't necessarily have to say, boy, your audience, that and I, you know what I mean? Yeah, them top fan or nothing like that. But if you're into music and good music I play, you're not gonna dance. That's all it is, virgin. But the whole thing is about ALKALINE, bro. ALKALINE do this before and it caused this big controversy, right? So the smart thing is, remember, you know, the man that shows him have a whole heap of music about, you know, right? And if you notice right now, vibes have the internet locked. You see me? So the smartest thing right now, you see an artist just do some trending stuff like this. We are going to just keep it. This are going to have people that talk for the next 5 years. I don't know what things said. You see me? Because I'm going to say, yo dog, or the man figure say that, bro, him done say it already. He said it before and he say it again. And the thing is, we can't tell no man how to live them life, bro. Inside. And like say boy, you see if it was like him did a hide and do something and then somebody catch him and do it, then he would have received one different way. But this is just something we put in a song. And then people running it and branding with it. It don't necessarily means that he might indulge in them something. But it's just crazy. You know what I mean? So he might use it to in benefit in a strange way. You know what I mean? Because the more people talk about it and the more people are going to search it.